Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a surprise fold of Baby Blue from Jurassic World Dominion. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our surprise fold, we need to begin by folding our paper. So let's take our paper and fold it in half. We're just going to line up the corners and then give it a nice little fold down here. Once we're done with that, we're going to take this and we're going to fold the whole thing in half again. Just give it a really good fold right on here. Now, when you open it up, you have three little lines in here, and these two work as really good guidelines for when you open up your picture. So you can open it this way, or this way. It's totally up to you. Now to start off with our Baby Blue surprise fold, we're going to begin by making the egg for Blue's baby. So we want to begin by drawing a line that's just going to go up and then come down. So I'm going to start up here by drawing a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to come down here. Kind of like a big sad face. Now we're going to start here and do the same thing, but we're going to make a big happy face. So we're going to go down, and then we're just going to come right up to here and like a big happy face. Now our next step is to open this up. So I'm going to go ahead and just open up and then we'll work on the inside. Now once it's opened up, you can see that we have two halves of our egg. So the first thing we want to do is let's draw a line that comes down a little bit farther into our fold. And we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to draw a little bit higher up into our fold. Now right across here, we're going to make it look like the egg is cracked. So we just want to make some different sized little zigzag lines that come all the way across. Then we want to do the same thing here. We're just going to make some different little zigzag lines, some different shapes that come all the way across for our little egg. Now, we're going to begin with the eye. So, we're going to start with the eye for Baby Blue. So we're going to begin right about here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down. And then let's just make a line that goes down and then up. We'll give it a big eye. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. And then right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come out and then it's going to go down. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and it's going to go up like this. And then we're going to make a little line that's going to come down here. Make a little line that's going to go down and then over. And then we're going to come over and go up here. Next, I'm going to make a little line here with a couple little curved lines in there. Then I'm going to add just a few little spaced out triangles in here to show the teeth. And then I'll add a little line that's going to come out and then down here for the tongue. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and that's going to come into here. Then I'm going to add a couple little curved lines and a little line that comes down here. Right here, I'll add a little black dot for the nose. And then right here, we're going to add a kind of long, skinny oval shape. And I'm going to color in most of this and just leave a little bit white for like a reflection. Now right here, I'm going to add a little line that's going to come up. It's going to come to a point and then back down for the tail. Now, I want to add kind of like a little bit of that stripe that Blue has and that her baby is going to have too. So we're going to start right here, and we're just going to make a little wiggly line that comes right here. And then we'll make another one that goes right here, and we'll take it right down below the eye. I'm going to bring this line right above the eye, and I'm going to take this one right below it to here. Then I'm just going to make kind of like a wavy line that's going to come all the way down to the eggshell. I want to do that same thing here, just a little wavy line. I'm going to make it a little bit skinnier as it comes farther down. I'm going to make that same little wavy line kind of right down the tail too. And there you go, there is your drawing of baby Blue hatching out of the egg. So when we have it all closed up, we just have our nice little raptor egg, and then when we open it up, you can see that we have little baby Blue popping out. And if you want to, you could add other things, like you maybe put like a little mosquito in there for Jurassic World, or you could put like, you know, some of like little egg pieces flying out, but I'm just gonna leave it simple like this. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.